So, we have Legos. So, I'm joined by sister. What's sister's name?
Grace.
Grace. I'm going to check to see if I'm recording. And Grace has drink. So,
I can't help it that I'm thirsty.
Grace! Jeanette! You know what we need?
Knife.
Scissors!
Oh, I was close.
So, this one is the Destiny's Wing.
Can I cut it? Dang it.
So this is the Destiny's Wing. It looks like a Kai spaceship thing.
Well, I mean, it does come with Kai.
It's from season 9. I'm very excited for the Lego figure.
I haven't seen it yet.
Yeah, you haven't seen this season yet. You're still on season 2.
I'm weak.
It's because you don't watch it.
That's because I watch My Little Pony.
We have one book instead of 2.
His legs!
Ooh, his legs. Where's his torso?
Probably
His
in the
torso.
bag.
I see his...
Found it!
I like building the minifigures.
His sleeve got ripped off.
And one sleeve is darker than the other.
What?
One sleeve is darker than the other.
What do you mean? His sleeve is gone.
That sleeve is darker than the rest of his suit.
Oh!
Okay. So here's his head.
With his helmet.
Does he have a face
Yes.
thing?
Yes, it is kind of like that breathing thing Bane has.
What?
I think that's it.
These are a new design than what season 7 was. But whoop, it's kind of cool. I don't even know if I'm in focus.
It's okay. We'll know when we look over the footage later.
You mean
All
when
right.
I look over the footage later?
Same difference. Okay. Step 1 is to build Kai chick.
I accidentally
And then-
did the first step. Okay,
no,
so
the
we
first step
need...
is the half
So we
triangle
need
thing.
the corner thingy piece.
Found it.
This piece. I'm loving having an assistant.
then-
I don't have to look as hard.
I love these blocks. I love the blocks that are just like lined this way.
We don't
and
need
then-
one of those blocks. We need
Yet.
one of the ones with the space thing.
Found this one.
Yeah, but we don't.
We need that
We do
one.
need that one. Can I see the instructions?
But I like looking at the instructions. It's
Okay,
fun.
so we need the one with the holes.
Which we got.
Is this the right one?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's like no other. Oh, well, here's another one.
And then we
Oh,
need
they're
the
the same one.
slanty one.
Which we have the slanty one.
Okay.
I mean,
So-
here's another slanty one, and here's another slanty one, but I
This
think they're
one
kind
goes, the slanty one goes here like that, and then this piece goes here with the holes facing outward.
Yes. Okay. Flipping the book page.
Oh,
Then we
we're
need
building
this.
the monument. We need this piece.
And then this piece.
Here. And then this piece here. And Kat needs to stop clawing the door. We need this piece on top like that. So it's kind of looking like this.
I already found the next pieces.
Now we need the pieces Grace has in her hand. This one goes here. The other one goes here. Ta-da. I like these bricks that look like bricks. That one's cool.
You're gonna need this because that's right there.
Yeah, I know. Just telling you, but I'm trying to figure out.
Which way it goes on?
Yeah.
It goes on like that. It's like those studs.
Turner!
It's like those studs. I want to put some of this Lego together.
I'm regretting having an assistant.
Please let me Lego.
Lego my ego.
I haven't built in a while.
Okay.
That's rude.
Okay, so we need 2 of these claw things. I think I had some of these claw things in the Vermilion Invader. And then we need 2 more brick pieces. I have one. And Grace has the other.
You're welcome.
And then we need 2 wings.
I have the wings right here.
Okay, Grace has the wings.
I have the Batman wings.
The Bat wings. Okay, so we need 1 of the bricks. We're going to put 1 going this way. And then the other goes the other way.
No, they're going the same direction.
Okay.
Because you stick the wings in them.
And then the other brick over it, like so. Wings, please. Wing me. Okay.
Moisturize me.
Moisturize me. Moisturize me. That was such a good show.
That should be a song.
Moisturize me.
Oh my god, the take the help is twice and God. Can't help very much desire to
How do you remember all those words?
I was listening to it last night.
Of course. Ouch.
Or no, not last night. When I did laundry with Mom, I was listening to it before we
Ta-da!
Sort of the rings it straight, but
I like it.
Bill's character.
It's special.
Special
It's
needs.
just a little special.
Special needs.
Okay.
We need this piece that I have right here.
We need 1 of those. We need 2 of the slanty gray ones. These. We need 1 gray claw thing, which is right here. Why do we have another mask?
I don't know. Maybe.
Oh, because we have another figure.
Yeah.
Maybe she has a mask? I don't know.
I like that.
I barely remember season 9, by the way, guys. So this is gonna be fun.
Haven't even seen it.
I know it has something to do with dragons.
Oh, here's the piece I was looking for. Let me
This is not the piece you are looking for.
This is the piece I'm looking for. Thank you very much. I know what I'm looking for. I'm looking at the instructions.
Well, snap.
I watched the LEGO movie. Oh my god, so I watched
I was talking about the LEGO movie with Ray last night.
One day I watched the LEGO movie because I was bored and didn't know what else to watch. So I watched the LEGO movie. I'm like...
I like watching the LEGO Ninjago movie because it's just so stupid.
That's the LEGO movie.
The LEGO Ninjago movie.
I know, but the LEGO movie is also
No,
incredible.
the LEGO Ninjago movie is a little more
out there.
out there.
We were thinking of the same words.
So, okay, so the claw goes on the opposite side of the wings because it is going to hold this beautiful sword. As soon as I put it together. Okay. This sword holds some importance, but I don't know what importance it holds.
Me neither.
Georgia will comment in the comment section being like, "Bitch, why you forgetting?" And it's like,
Oh my god, and look, there's another sword
arm's length.
piece! You have 2 swords. I think some of them are just in case you forget, or
Yeah,
I think some of it's in case you lose it.
a majority of them are just in case I lose them.
Okay, so now we need this piece, and
So we need this piece that reminds me of the Millennium
this
Falcon.
piece and this
And we
piece.
need this piece that reminds me of a baseball bat. And
No,
we
it's plank.
need this piece that reminds me of a boat.
Do you remember the pirate set we had that the boys had that ended up at Graham's house and it had a rowboat?
Was it Lego?
Yeah.
No.
How could you not remember that? We played in the little hallway and we were just like, oh.
Because the only one I remember is the Jonah thing that we used to have. I don't need the green one. I need the yellow one.
Oh, there it is.
This one. So this one goes at the end like this. And then
Yeah,
I
this is
need
the other
2 of these things.
So you have one.
So one goes here like this. The other goes the same way. Like that.
Okay, I found the other pieces you need. They're right here. I'm getting ahead of myself.
Yeah, yar. Slow your roll.
I can't.
I'm not bringing guests anymore. This
Sorry.
sucks, man.
So this means No soup for me.
No soup for you.
You need this piece too.
Why do I need this piece?
Because it goes right there, dude. Look at the instructions.
Why'd they go there? I don't know, look at the instructions. Look at it.
Okay, here's another. And where's that cheese grater piece?
Cheese grater?
There's the cheese grater. Grater. The cheese
Greeter, the cheese greeter.
Welcome to Cheeseland. Oh, look at that.
Welcome to Cheeseland, home of the Cheeseland. May I take your order?
Welcome to Good Burger.
Burger, home of the Good Burger. I was wondering where that was from.
It's been so long.
I miss that movie. I almost called it a show. And like this, and then we stop it. You almost put it in the wrong place. Sorry. Okay, so now we've got the lethal seat for the lethal human.
The lethal seat for the lethal human.
Lethal seat.
There you go.
So this one goes over the top like that. Ta-da! So, Grace.
Oh, that song is stuck in my head.
Which one?
Tell me where is Gandalf, and I much desire to speak with him. Tell me where is Gandalf, and I much desire to speak with him.
It's my middle school years all over again. That's actually kind of fun to sing.
Oh, that actually came up after here's a llama, there's a llama, and another there's a llama. Let's see, llama, bunny, llama, llama, duck. I was with the treehouse. Okay, next page.
Next page. So.
Oh, look, I found it right off the bat.
So maybe we should keep this on topic, you know, like since it's a LEGO Ninjago build, we can
Right.
talk about LEGO Ninjago.
I like Ninjago. I still don't know who my favorite ninja is, but I still like it.
My favorite ninja is Zane.
We all know that.
'Cause
You carry him in an icebreaker thing, and everyone's like,
he is my lucky charm. I keep him in an empty icebreaker box, and he stays in my backpack. Hold on, I don't even know where these go.
sorry. So if you didn't need this piece. I'm really helpful.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
So, I was recently watching YouTube, like I always am, and I saw the guy who voices Ninjago Zane, Brent Miller.
That name
I'm
was
slow today. But I saw Brent Miller was doing a contest, and you can actually buy these prints from his store, and you can win a signed copy of, well, a signed set of the Dragon Pit, which is actually pretty dope because I was looking on Amazon and they're like $130.
Don't mind me. I'm just like picking out all the Lego pieces that we're gonna need.
I'm excited because I really like this.
You know, that actually reminds me of my Lego set. My Hobbit Lego set.
I was like, what Lego set do you have?
I have the Hobbit. I'm missing one of my works.
My Lego set was not Legos. They were like knockoff Legos, but because the set was from like 2009, actually 2008, I don't know what kind of Legos it was, and it was a gift, and I lost like the box and everything, so there's that. But mine was a Narnia set.
Oh my god, yeah, I keep finding pieces of that. Like, Johnny still has some pieces of that.
I had the ice castle.
I still have, yeah, you also had Aslan.
Yeah, because I'm born in December, everyone gets me ice-themed stuff. Thanks, guys.
Oh, hey, I guess I'll get you Elsa. Okay.
Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play.
Okay, bye.
Hey, these parts move. That's cool. I said we should talk about Ninjago, and then we got onto Frozen.
That's actually a really good Broadway musical. I love it.
She's obsessed with Broadway.
It shows, I think the musical shows more of honest, like, it's just that they both got hurt by what the parents did.
I'm sorry that the parents wanted to go to Rapunzel and Flynn's
No,
wedding.
I mean the way they, like, separated them.
Oh, well, they showed that in the movie as well.
Yeah, but they didn't do it as much as the play did.
This is Ninjago, not Frozen.
Okay, Ninjago. I still don't know who my favorite ninja is.
Mine is Zane.
We all know yours is Zane.
Just whatever you do, don't pick Lloyd.
I don't really like Lloyd. I don't really like Lloyd anyway. Actually, in fact, it's a toss-up between like 3 different ninjas.
Which ones?
Jay, Cole, and Kai.
Jay's cool. I like Jay. Kai is the one with the most storylines revolving around him, but I feel like the best written seasons were season 6, season 3, and then season... No, it wasn't a season. It was Day of the Departed. And those were... Day of the Departed was centered around Cole and his feelings about being a ghost and stuff like that.
Cole's a ghost?
Whoops.
What the heck?
Whoops. But, so...
You miss a lot when you don't watch anything.
Right? So, Day of the Departed was about how Cole juggles with being a ghost.
I just juggled.
I put this on wrong.
I juggled and then you said juggled. I can juggle now.
Stop juggling my Lego pieces.
Sorry.
I put something in the wrong place and I can't get it out.
Yay, you got it, you got it.
Intricate. There's like this weird little seat thing in here. And then like bench things and stuff. It's kind of cool.
When I was building my Lego set, Johnny was like, you don't need the instructions. I'm like, I want this to come out good. And he's like, but the Lego movie says you don't need instructions. I'm like, screw the Lego movie.
I desperately need instructions.
I wanted to put that thing together properly.
If Lego ever stops doing instructions,
Everyone's
going to be
die.
devastated.
Everyone's gonna die.
Oh, these go on the end. I was like, where do they go?
Everyone's gonna die because
They
like,
go on the end.
if you look on the box, there's no way you can build from just looking at the box. It's not a puzzle.
Well, considering I throw the box on the other side of the room as soon as I open it, yeah, I need the instructions.
Well, hey, we're running out of things for me to go look for.
That's good. That means we're getting to the end of the thingy-bob bag
Yes.
thing.
The bag one. I almost said box one. No, it's the bag one.
Box one. Hey, we could get this done in like a few minutes.
That piece is a top.
Check it! This is looking cool. I'm actually kind of jealous that I don't get to fly this.
I'm trying to figure out which way this goes. So it shows it like that.
So this little bullet
Right.
nub thing is gonna go in the front.
Right. I got it.
He did it!
Yay! I'm smart.
You did it! You did
Okay,
it!
bag 2.
I really like that. Lego is very good at Lego is very good at having a lot of small details matter. Why don't you show the camera what you're putting together, dude?
I put a barrel on a black thing. Okay, then I need this piece to go. Wait. Yeah,
You need
Yeah.
the blue sticky thing to go
Oh,
in here in the middle, like this. Actually, wait. Yep, I got that right.
I can't get these 2 pieces together, and this is the same exact pieces it's showing right there. Ah, got it.
Shut it upside down.
And then that piece goes there. I did it! Yay! I'm so talented and amazing. It's beautiful.
It could be beautiful. Sorry, not my fault.
Okay.
This thing?
Yes. Okay. Stick and flag.
Swish and flick.
Assembling pieces.
Assembly required.
Some assembly required.
Some. By some, you mean a lot.
Heck yeah.
Don't forget to show the camera what you are
So
doing.
I put these slipper pieces on this big block. They look like slippers, don't they? And then I need this piece, which goes right... Wait, no, I have to get this... This one goes right there, and there should be another one just right... Oh my god, that's already assembled?
Where is it?
There it is! And there, you need the space right there, yeah.
Does it... Yeah.
Can I put the
Take
last
the
piece
claw
on?
things, and then we need the golden thingy-majig.
Cheese grate. I always call it
I
cheese
call
grate.
it a seat. Yeah, to each his own.
Heck yeah, and then it goes... And then it goes like right here. Look on
Which way? Okay.
Yeah, not right.
Ta-da!
Okay. Sticker opportunity! With these. I think
Stickers
that's
are
what-
under the booklet.
Okay, so sticker one.
It's the dragon one.
They're all dragon ones.
Well, it's the... Yeah, it's those ones. Are those the only stickers you have?
Yep.
Okay.
Hopefully, I put the stickers in the right place.
Well, I mean, it just says, like, right there, so I'm guessing on both sides? Yeah, on both sides, on both of them. So, like, where would you put them? I like these little things. They're so cool. Okay, so do you remember Glee? How much of Miss Pillsbury are you?
Who?
Emma?
That's her last name?
Yeah, Pillsbury. Which, it ended up being Schuster because she married Will. Eventually.
She got married to Will?
Yeah, they had a kid together.
What?
What season did you stop watching? Oh my god.
I got halfway through season 1.
You're slowly knocking the tripod off the thing.
So yeah, she marries Will eventually, and they have a kid.
Aw, that's so cute.
I saw the last episode because I was like, you know what? I watched this for the... I'm on season like 5 or 6. I'm close to... I'm either on 4 or 5 actually, because I'm getting close to the quarterback episode. I'm like a season or 2 away from it.
The only part of Glee I really cared about was the part where Grant Gustin was on Glee.
Oh, he's still on Glee right now. Ryan.
I don't have the patience to get that far. So
you just skip to plot. So you just look around for the ones that have a plot to do with the Warblers.
I just won't watch it.
Okay.
I mean, it's not that big of a deal. I still have the Flash.
Oh, Supergirl is also on Glee right now. Ryan. Great, she's Marley.
Yeah, I know.
And so I'm watching it and I'm just like, oh my god, yay.
Has Finn died yet?
No. Finn kissed Miss Pillsbury though. Right before her wedding. You dropped this.
So...
And then this goes right. Sorry. Peace! And then this goes right there, and then you can flip it up. Right down.
Now Kai can go in and out of his ship.
Okay. Then we need this piece, and this piece, and this piece.
Okay.
Oh no, this is the cheese grater.
Okay.
Hold on. I need to work like the book. Okay, so this one goes about 2 holes off. This goes right
Does Kai actually fit in here?
there.
By Jove.
That's where we're gonna store them for right now.
Don't worry, you'll be safe.
Then we need 2 of these, and one goes in the last hole like that, and then one hole down like that. Look at how talented I am. And then we need this. Oh my god, it shakes. There's something inside it. It's shaky. There's a spring in there. I bet you.
My god, there's a spring.
I bet you that's what it is.
How do you... Why is it...
That makes sense now. There's this little thing right here, this yellow one that says it's like do not launch at people. I had that in the Vermilion and I'm so excited. I love that logo. Of course I'm gonna launch it at people.
So it goes like this once it's done.
So it's gonna look like this, and then it gets put... Where does it get put?
I don't know yet.
Oh.
Let me finish building it.
Let me do it. It's my set.
Fine. Here, have some pieces that you need. Oh wait, you're also gonna need this.
So you put this thing on the end like this, and then put this right here. And then this green little thingy thing.
I did wrong.
Oh no.
Because this green piece goes right here, and then this brown piece goes like this, and then this piece goes on the end. I'm smart. Oh no, I'm dumb again.
It goes right there up to the side. Perfect. Yep.
This one goes right here.
Ta-da! 2 more pieces.
This one goes...
I thought my band-aid mark was a bite mark, so I was like, oh my god, what bit me?
You bit you.
No, because like I thought this part was like teeth marks.
Yeah.
But see how the band-aid mark is curved?
Yeah,
I thought something bit me like that. What bit me? I didn't even leave a mark right there. Oh wait, my band-aid.
But that's where my bit... Oh. Wonder if you can actually grate cheese with the cheese grater.
We'll try that sometime.
Asking the real questions.
Can you? I should actually get some like, I don't know, Lego cities.
How much cheese could a cheese grater grate if a cheese grater could grate cheese?
But cheese graters can grate cheese. It's however much cheese you grate with said cheese grater.
Well, it's like how much wood could woodchuck chuck wood?
Woodchuck as much woodchuck wood. You're like, I'm dumb.
Okay. Okay.
Don't smoke weed, weed's bad. Okay.
Okay.
You know, if I could watch South Park, I'd probably have a better Mr. Mackey.
Okay.
Don't smoke marijuana. Marijuana's bad. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, I don't have... My Mr. Mackey isn't as bad as I probably think it is. Is that the right piece?
I really missed watching South Park.
I don't know if this is the right piece. Because it's the right piece of that. It's still saying don't watch it, people.
We have nothing to launch right now.
Which is good. I have the llama song stuck in my head.
It's better than that song Mom keeps singing to us.
Oh. The Baby Shark one.
Don't you dare.
I'm not gonna sing it. Great, now that's stuck in my head! That's it, we need to listen to Owl City later.
Later, not right now.
I know.
How does this fit?
Um...
Oh, like that.
Read the instructions! Okay, now
that song's stuck in my head too. Baby shark doo 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 doo.
stop. Reverse whether you with the pillow and then take your place, grow 2 inches and replace you.
You have to also have my bluish green eyes.
Eyeball transplant.
You can get colored contacts!
That's the first thing I think of. Not colored contacts, but an eyeball transplant.
I automatically think of contacts because I had this friend in high school who would come in with these contact lenses that looked like her eyes were pure white, and they would freak out our biology teacher, and it was so
Who
much
was
freaking
that?
fun. Her name was Sarah, and she was honestly one of my best friends ever.
Oh, yeah. I think I kind of remember her.
She was one of my best friends. I loved her so much.
Didn't she used to ride a bus?
Yeah, her stepdad or mom's boyfriend or whatever he is, he used to call me Squirrel because I used to have this really high-pitched voice around people I don't know, and I get really nervous and stuff. So I was talking to him in my high-pitched voice, and I was trying to help because they were like cleaning up the house while I was there, and I was like, I tried to help, and he almost tied me to the chair. Fun times. So this gets stuck on. Hey, it's the wing.
Back when we lived where we used to live, remember that girl?
Springfield.
Yeah, I remember Olivia.
Yes.
Her dad used to call me a leprechaun.
Holy.
Because apparently I had wide eyes.
You did have white eyes as a child.
I read the instructions. You're supposed to be... Oh, you put them in the wrong holes.
Yes, I did.
And then you broke it.
Yes, I did.
And now you can't put it back together, can you?
No, I can't.
Because you have it on the wrong part. This part.
Oh.
So
now it looks like
Next.
No! Oh! Mayday!
That's why he's missing a sleeve. Okay.
That's the real reason he's missing a sleeve.
What are we supposed to do with these parts?
Baby shark.
We'll just leave them right there.
Baby shark.
Oh, we never found out where the barrels go?
What?
Barrels right there.
No, we never found out where they went. Let's go back. Reverse. Please, everybody clap your hands. Oh, the barrels go on the end here.
Crap, I dropped a head.
Don't drop her head.
I got her head back.
I think it's a her.
Ah, I dropped it again. No! Found it. It was in my lap.
Baby shark. Baby shark.
Okay.
So now I've got this. Oh, now we just go back, reverse, and build the other wing.
After I build the figure.
I don't know what her name is, but I know it's a girl. I remember that much.
I need this white piece. I don't think it's in there.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is. Where is he?
Because that's not white, that's clear.
Oopsie.
Transparent.
There is this TV show called Transparent.
I have her hair, and it feels weird.
Yeah, well, let me feel it. Dude, that feels like the... Do you remember that ponytails that ended up at Graham's house?
What?
Okay, so we had this girl head, and we had like 2 different ponytail hairs that went with it. And...
Was this like a Lego girl?
Yes. How can you not remember our Legos?
Because I thought we never built Legos as children.
We built Legos as children.
What?
We had a whole little set.
Little sets like Narnia little sets?
Well, yeah, we had the Narnia sets, but all our Legos, our actual physical Legos, ended up at Graham's because Mom kept stepping on them.
Oh, yeah.
Story of our life.
Story of my life, always doomed to fail.
What is that from?
It's from Shrek.
Someone was singing All Star, or someone brought up All Star, and I'm like, that song sounds familiar. I don't remember what that's from though.
Oh, are you putting her jetpack together?
Yeah. So you put the
jetpack. I think that's her name. So I put.
Wait, no, because we need these first. Stop. Where's... Okay, I need this.
That's the story of my life. Oh yeah. That's the story of my life.
And that goes right here. And I need
so
this piece and this piece to stick in here. Like,
okay, so now we have jetpack.
I had another stick. Where did it go? Or was that the only stick I had?
Up your butt.
That's not nice. That's rude. The only one. This is just extra.
You're so extra.
Thank you. I tried.
That's not a staff.
It's her sword thing. It's her
It's
weapon.
a spear.
It's her weapon. Same difference.
Spear.
Okay, we're gonna make
It's like
this,
it's like Roman Reigns.
spear.
He's a wrestler.
That was actually...
Right now he's like the WWE champion or something. And then there's another one, Randy Orton, and he's like, RKO!
That's uncomfortable. Please never do that again.
He's just like, that's uncomfortable.
Please never do that again.
Well, I mean, I can't make any promises.
Well,
so,
I mean,
can
try.
I build something?
But you were building everything. Here.
Oh my god.
You can help.
Oh my god, like, I'm gonna be a moody teenager now. Like, oh my god.
I am the moody teenager. What you talking about?
What you know about me?
What you know about me? What you know about me? What song is that even?
I don't know.
Yeah, the only thing I remember is that, didn't the old French teacher sing that one, Coffee House?
I think so.
Yeah.
One of my favorite songs
Because
from...
that's like, my lip gloss is poppin', my lip gloss is cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the song it is, because she's like, what you know about me? What
you know about me? What you know about me?
I miss
what you
Piqué.
know about me?
I miss Madame Piqué. That was
Madame Piqué. She was pretty cool.
Yeah. That means like Mrs. French, or not French. It'd be Madame Francais.
Madame Francais.
It was like Madame. Her name basically translates to like Mrs. Spice or something. Like that's the name like she went by was Mrs. Spice.
Because Spice Girls. I know nothing.
You needed this piece first. I handed you the wrong piece first.
Where does this even... There we go.
Your ceiling in your dining room place thing that goes right into the hall, it reminds me of our ceiling in the apartment.
Right?
Yeah. Except it doesn't have nail polish stains or the grand rainbow.
So my friend, I was like 7 years old, and my friend told me that my ceiling was too boring. So I looked at her, and I said, okay. And so I took my box of
That's going the
Crayola,
wrong way.
of Crayola 24 crayons.
Is that supposed to point this way?
It is.
Look at the thing. See that?
Oh, it's upside down.
That's what I'm telling you. No. Let me see.
So I had a friend that told me my ceiling was too plain. So I took my box of Crayola 24 crayons and I picked out all the colors of the rainbow. I actually got the rainbow wrong because I thought the rainbow was in a random order. I never knew the rainbow had a specific order. So I just drew a rainbow on my ceiling. I was about like 6, 7. My mom got really mad at me. It was kind of funny.
Nope, I put this on wrong. Oh, way to go! I was waiting for that
Technical
difficulties!
difficulties!
I was waiting for that to happen.
Okay.
I put the thing together.
Okay.
After the thing fell.
We had technical difficulties.
You clapped the camera off the table.
Shit.
Make me. Please don't. That's actually not very nice. You need this piece. And this piece. You need these 2 pieces. So it won't matter which pieces you take.
Piss me. If you could not hum, that'd be great.
Sorry, I need to make noises and move around. Otherwise, I'm gonna just like end up being this like hot mess of moving.
Heyo.
Same. Really? Like really?
Like, oh my god, really?
Oh my god, are you really also a hot mess of moving around?
Oh my god,
That's
seriously?
me all the
That's like so cool.
That's me all the time.
That's like so rad. Like, oh my god.
Okay, I think we need this piece. Yeah, we do. Okay, here we go. Wait, I'm gonna put the thing in the thing.
Peace Holica.
Did it?
I had the time of my life, and I never felt this way before.
Here you go.
Grazie.
What?
Grazie.
Oh, okay. Hi, Jason.
Meow.
Did you say mayo?
Meow. Okay.
It's time for Blue's Clues. I literally can't say
Okay.
Blue's Clues without doing Blue's Clues, the hand thing.
So I thought we had that
Blues
backwards,
Clues.
but no, we don't.
Meow. Okay, so now we put these things on the thingies. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, because you launched them.
that's cool.
That's
Sick! You can actually launch them. Don't launch them.
I'm not. I'm going to put this on.
That's so freaking cool.
If I can figure out how they go. Okay. I figure out how they go.
I can't wait until I actually have like a true like office space. Woo!
You're going to be launching. There's going to be Legos all over that floor. Dude, next time you get a Lego set, just let me know and I'll come and like, do this again. You almost put that on backwards. Now remember, don't launch it at people. It's bad and rude.
Yeah, don't launch it at people. Launch it at people.
Jeanette!
What?
Okay, now we need these thingies. And now we need small little Wolverine pin claw things. Grr. Jeanette, look at Wolverine. Wolverine!
I'm Sabretooth.
Wolverine! You can launch those too.
I know, I'm so freaking excited.
Woo! Hold on.
Kai's gonna have some fun today.
Okay, after this memory, Kai might be my favorite.
Why?
After this, building this, how could he not be? And that is the end.
How do you launch these?
It doesn't say. It just shows me what other sets we can get.
Freaking what?
And then it has the Lego movie, the Lego Batman movie. I think I have that.
What, you have the Lego Batman movie?
I think so.
No, you have the Lego movie.
Yeah, no, the Lego movie's in my room. But I think Mom and Dad bought a copy of the Batman movie. The Lego Batman movie.
Baller.
Yeah. And then there's the Lego Ninjago movie. And this ad is in French and Spanish and English. The trifecta of languages. Oh my god, and then it has an index of
It's
everything.
the Holy Trinity. So, after launching it, this is actually kind of cool. I still don't know how to launch.
You figured it out!
I
that's for your next place.
Are you quite finished?
I'm done.
Very, very fortunate to have a awesome friend who sends me a bunch of Lego things. Like, she sent me all of these Lego figures, and she sent me all of these random Legos, and I honestly love her for it. She's my best friend, Georgia.
Georgia's cool.
She sends me all of these Legos from the UK. That's actually why Zane is my good luck charm, because that was the first Lego she ever sent me. And ever since she sent me my very first Lego, it's been good times. It's been good times.
But, dude, you have more Zanes on the shelf over there.
Yeah, I have this little Zane shrine.
It's not a problem, we swear.
I swear it's not a problem. But yeah, I need to get some more Legos. I need to get a more variety of Legos so that's not just Ninjago. Because I know you guys are probably getting sick of Ninjago.
I'm not.
It's taken you 4 months to get through 2 seasons.
What can I say? I got caught up in My Little Pony. And Glee.
She just hates watching Ninjago.
No, I don't. I like it. I think it's just like Gilmore Girls. I just don't want to watch it without you.
Aww.
I'm so sentimental.
On that note, I have some more book reviews coming. I have an idea for a collab with this little gem. We're going to be doing Anne with an E versus Anne of Green Gables, which I think is going to be really fun.
Does this mean I have to read the books again?
I'm going to read the books. I need to get them all on audiobook form first.
Oh, the library has one.
That's what I was thinking.
One big book.
Yep.
Still got a card there?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
Anyway, but I will see you all soon. Yeah, have fun.